All right, boys, welcome back. This is Excel for Landlords, episode 3. This episode is cap rate part 3. In the last episode, we did a little bit more with cap rate, took it a little bit further. I was just showing you how to lock cells and tell the user that they're locked by painting them blue. Unlock some other cells, tell the user by painting them white. And Ken, you were probably figuring the whole time, yeah, but that didn't do nothing because there's one more step. I was trying to grab the sides of this Snagit form here and drag my window over, but we can't take the mountain of Moses or Muhammad, so we're going to have to take Muhammad and Moses and, the whole bunch of them to the mountain. In Pittsburgh, it's a mountain. So we're taking them to the mountain, click Format, and this is what you were looking for right here, protect the sheet. So you got to protect that sheet, protect that. Now, what we should find is that no Yahoo can go into this formula, click it. All right, see, they can't type stuff. It tells me, yo, dude, you can't do that shit to this sheet. But you can go in here and you can, yeah, all right. Okay, just give me a minute now. I'm gonna go back here, unprotect this silly bugger, unprotect that shit. Sheet. Oh, shit. Okay, it's unprotected. Now, you like seriously do not want to do this kind of shit. You don't want to do this shit. Don't do this shit on your real thing. Okay. Now I'm going back into, ooh, baby, bring that over here. Change the protect. Damn it, why did it lock that? It was not supposed to do that. Okay, these buggers should be unlocked. Now, you always got to protect your shit, your sheet. And it brought up this thing saying, what do you, blah, blah, and I say, yeah, fine, I'm good with the defaults. Now, Jim, you can decide, man, I was going to charge you 100 grand, but, all right, does your cap rate come out better if we do 90? So right now I got a cap rate of 9.6. Ready, 1, 2, 3, go. And I got a cap rate busting up over 10. My debt coverage ratio is better. All right, this closes out episode 3 of Excel for Landlords. Cheers.